Hey everyone, as you may know, I'm in the process of moving, and one of the things I'm going to pack up is this model pirate ship from Pirates of the Caribbean, Queen Anne's Revenge. I'm going to show you exactly how to safely pack this thing, okay? All right, first we're going to want to start with our shrink wrap. Don't worry if it falls off the table, it's okay. It'll be just fine whenever it's all done. Make sure we get it in safely, securely. Make sure you wrap the front and the back, both sides. This thing has handles on it, but they don't work that well. So sometimes you got to just handle the roll itself. That should do it. Okay, now we'll want to get our tape. We'll put some tape on it also. Get some extra tape just to cover those areas that may not be working properly. That's all right. Now we're going to want to find a box big enough. So make sure you got a box big enough to put it in, right? This looks like it should work perfect. Beautiful. All right. Any extra pieces that have fallen off, just make sure they go in the box also. And then finish it off with, of course, bubble wrap. All right, now we got to finish taping it off. And there you go. One pirate ship in a box.